Hey y'all, did y'all miss me? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do the easiest, simplest, most versatile hairstyle for the summer. Like, please. We're going to start off by 4 sections. The main 4 sections that you need is ear to ear across the back, ear to ear across the top, and then down the middle in the front. If you need smaller parts, you can go in and divide them up from there, but you do need these 4 sections. For products, I'm using the Mielle Curl Defining Mousse and the Lock and Braid Gel. I'm not really showing y'all the back, y'all, because the back is just the back. Just do what you gotta do back there and just get it done. But the front is where you focus on your parts. Literally, all you want to do is take your section with a little bit of braiding gel, plait it down a little bit, then twist the rest with your mousse. It's literally that simple. When you're done with the section, you can either put it in a ponytail or plait it up to get it out your way, just to keep your workspace clear. When you're in the front, you really want to focus on getting your lines crisp and your part straight, because it's the front. This is the part everybody's going to see. Come on, guys. It's me bopping to the Clear 2 EP. Listen, Summer Walker, if you're watching this, or somebody, if you're watching this and you know somebody who knows Summer Walker, if you know Summer Walker, tell my sister to call me. And now I'm going to take the best edge control in the world, and I'm going to do what I have to do with these edges. If y'all need a tutorial, just let me know, and I will get you one. Now I'm done. I'm taking out my sections, and I'm going to spray it down with this, like, water mousse concoction, just to weigh my hair back down, because as you can see, the ponytails messed it up a little bit. And just like that, you have a simple hairstyle that you can wear in different styles or even wear under your wigs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.